Hello friends, welcome back to the PM Education. So friends, today we will learn some most important general knowledge question answers. So let's start. How many stars are there in the American flag? Answer: 50 stars. How many bones does adult human have? Answer: 206 bones. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer: Australia. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Answer: Tibetan Plateau. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Answer: Sun. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer: Nile. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer: Cheetah. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Who was the first man to walk on the moon surface? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Which is the largest continent in the world? Answer: Asia. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer: Bill Gates. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new update.